My name is Andrea Ferrari and we are at the FAF Woodwork here in Marrickville. I start my journey in Italy in a city called Firenzuola. It's a little town, 15,000 people. My father has an office work company and they were looking for an apprentice. I went there, I have a chat with the owner there. The next day I was there working on wood. I moved here in 2015. It was just for experience to come here for 1 year and then I fell in love with an Australian. We have 2 kids, start the family, start the business, so now it is home. I think I have been always passionate about woodwork since when I was kids. They give you a lot of satisfaction because you see from the beginning to the end. Sometimes you start a project and you don't really know how you're gonna do the project. There was this particular job, then it take 4 weeks, every night waking up and thinking, how I'm gonna do this job. And it was like all this metal job with FAF all cladding in brass. Then we were going to apply a special patina to become like a nickel finish. And was the only way. But the challenge make me think, and you know, it's more challenge and more satisfaction when you achieve what you wanna do. My favorite material that I can work with is like a solid timber, any kind of hardwood solid timber. We are introducing even different material just to challenge ourselves even more and extend our portfolio. At FAF here, we work with the leading architects and builders in Australia. We do custom high-end joinery, completely fit out of the house. Pretty much we go inside in an empty space and we fill it up with, they can be paneling, they can be full fit out kitchen, wardrobes, vanity, anything. If I have to describe FAF Woodwork, I would say family. They are not my relative, but they want to work, they want to join the team and they care and they love the job, they love the business. To someone who want to go into the business, at the beginning you want to do everything by yourself. Also financially, it's like, especially you don't have a lot of money, so you try to do everything by yourself. But I think as soon you can have a little bit of the money, invest to people, then they can do job, then you can. For example, I can do very good timber work, but when you get to organizing management like this, I have people that are better for me to do that kind of part. So just invest and don't think to do everything by yourself. In life, I think do whatever like make you feel happy. In my parents, they will say, try to make what you like your profession, because you're gonna spend 70% of the time that you are awake to do that thing. If you do something that you don't like, you're gonna struggle. But if you do something that you like, you will not feel any days. Just follow your dream, try to make it happen. You achieve that one, maybe you can start to raise the bar a little bit better. And then bring the people along with you.